So what is Vim? Vim is a terminal-based text editor which is free and open source, and it's known as the gods of text editors. It's a reason to say to your friends that, no, I don't use Nano, I use Vim. I'm just different. So Vim, I've been reluctant to make this video because Vim scares me. I am not one of these people that are comfortable with using Vim, but like a piano, it takes time to learn how to play a beautiful song, and like Vim, it also takes time, but in this instance we're not going to learn how to play beautiful songs. No, what we are going to learn how to do is the sheer basics, because I'm terrified, you're probably terrified to watch, so let's just show us the basics. So to start, we would do something like vim file.txt. And you can see that warning is because I crashed it before. So then you have a beautiful editor here. As you can see, doesn't look scary, but looks can be deceiving. This is a frightening beast. How to start with this? Basically you type I, and then you are then entering into editor mode. So you can now type, so, hi, my name is Jim Circuit. And to exit this, you would click escape. And then that basically allows you then to start being able to type commands. So for example, if you want to save the file, you would then do a exit. We'd then do a semicolon and a W, which somehow we need to override. So we've overridden that now. So we have saved, hi, my name is Jim Circuit. If we want to quit, you can't just do the typical Control C, you have to do the Q, and then that shows it. Now, if we cap that file's output, we can then see, hi, my name is Jim Circuit, which we've typed. So now we actually have writing in Vim. That there is sort of CV worthy material. Put that on your CV. You can then go back into Vim, and it's just giving me that warning because it already exists. So we now have the file saved, the file has saved, we've learned how to quit it, and we've saved it, and we've typed in it. So these are the basics so far on how to do it. So we've learned how to create the file with vim file, and then we've used I to go into type mode, escape to go back into the mode where we can then save it with semicolon W or semicolon Q. If you want to delete a whole line, you can press DD, and that deletes a whole line. So this is just a very quick sample, very quick sample video on how to use Vim. I'm probably going to explore this even further, but we will get through this together.